Students, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss the new chapter, the Hungry Mendicant, chapter 13. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss at first the hungry. We know very well the meaning of the hungry. The hungry means what? You know very well the meaning of hungry means, and this is very new word, mendicant. Okay, mendicant means what? Try to understand. Hungry, you know very well. Yeah, no need to tell anything about regarding this word. But mendicant is new word for you. Okay, because you are in class 6 student. Okay, then yeah, I'm going to discuss what is the meaning of mendicant. The previous Mendelevium next means begging soto monk. It means what? The term mendicant from Latin. From which word? Taken? Latin word. Okay. Latin. Mendicants means what? Beggings. Refers to religious ascetics of various backgrounds who rely primarily or exclusively on begging and charity to survive. Okay. It means what? So, mendicant members of any several Roman Catholic religious order who assume a vow of poverty and supports himself or selfless of work charitable contributions. Okay, clear? So we understood what is the meaning of mendicant. Now I'm going to start the chapter. Okay, this is most interesting chapter, and this is important chapter for you. Okay, and for your examinations also. The once upon a time in a small village, central China. This is the incident of China. We know very well China, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. These are our neighboring countries. Okay, this is the incident from China. So there was a farmer who had a garden full of pear trees. Okay, which trees? Pear trees. Pear. Okay, so there was a beautiful garden. On that garden, there was many trees. Okay, the pear trees. Okay, the pear trees means what? We know very well. Yellowish or brownish green edible fruit that is typically narrow at stalk and wider towards the base with sweet, slightly idly flesh. Okay, so this is the fruit. Each year he made tidy sum of money by selling the pears at the local market. It means what? Pears uh, pears are sold in the market, and many sorry money collected. One year, he had an excellent harvest of sweet pears and wanted to sell them at a good price. So he set up the market with his cart full of pears. On reaching the fruit market, he met a poor mendicant dresses in torn clothes. Already I've told you what is the meaning of mendicant. Okay, when he when he was reaching in the market, on that moment suddenly he saw to the mendicant. Okay, after seeing the mendicant was very hungry and said, oh, please give me a pear, sir. Please give me a pear, sir. Who was telling? Mendicant was telling. The farmer pretended that he had not heard. The mendicant made the same request again. The farmer yelled him and made it clear that he could not have a pear unless he paid for it. The farmer was extremely sting and mean. It means what? If he will pay for it, then obviously he will give the pear. Otherwise, he will not give the pears. Okay, it was the his. So this request was given by the mendicant. Okay, they need a peer, but peer will be not given to him because the farmer will be charged money. Okay, a craftsman in a nearby shop had been observing this exchange interestedly. When it was clear that the farmer would not part with a single peer, the craftsman bought a peer for the mendicant. Okay, it means what? He knew very well medicant will not bear money for the peer, but so he wanted to help the medicant. So he bought the pear and gave him. The medicant thanked him and said, "You will always prosper after eating the delicious pear." The medicant planted its seeds right in the middle of the market. He scored, he watered the seeds, and it grew into a big fruit, bearing tree in a matter of a few. Okay. Matter of a few minutes, everyone wanted his happen with the great atmosphere. The farmer was also watching away stock. The American climbed the tree. American climbed the tree, plucked the pears, and started distributing them among the people. When the trees was bare, the American chopped off the trees and walked away. Okay, it means what? He planted the tree. Okay, he planted a tree, and there was a tree. Okay, and the pear was pear were distributed among the people. Pears were distributed among the people by the mendicant. Okay, and mendicant were very happy to distribute the pears among the people. After that, the farmer stepped back and walked to his cart. He was shocked to see that his cart was completely empty. There were no pears in the. In fact, even the handle was missing. When the handle was missing, the pears that had come from nowhere on the magic tree were from his very own cart. Okay, it was his very own cart. The bark of the trees was the wooden handle of the uh, carty. Realizing gradually realizing gradually down upon the farmers, but there was nothing he could do. All those peers which the folk in the market place enjoyed were really his. How happened? Peers were distributed. Peers were distributed among the people by the mendicants, and people enjoyed very well. After getting the peers, they thanked to the mendicants. Okay, realizations gradually dawned upon the farmers, but there was nothing he could do. All those peer which the folk in the market place enjoyed were really his. Already I've told you each and every people were enjoyed after getting the peers, but it was too later now. They were all gone. Better to have parted with one peer that lost an entire peer that lost in an entire harvest. It means what? Mean mean persons mean persons are not liked by others or even by God. Okay, if someone is means mean person means bad thinking person or the low thinking person will be not liked by the other, will be not liked by others or God. Only good person and the good thinking person is liked by the God. So in this video I have discussed a small story of peers and Americans, farmers and others. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.